Shrimp is one of my absolute go-tos for a quick and easy meal. So today I'll be sharing one of my favorite ways to cook it. Air-fried cilantro lime shrimp. This is one of my favorite recipes because it's incredibly flavorful and it's perfect for a weeknight meal. So first things first, let's preheat the air fryer to 400 degrees. Here are the ingredients that you will need. 2 tablespoons of lime juice, half a tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder. In a mixing bowl, add 12 to 15 medium to large size shrimp. Mix all these ingredients in with the shrimp until well incorporated and let it marinate for 10 minutes. I normally spray just a little bit of non-stick cooking oil in the air fryer before I place the shrimp in. Spread the shrimp in one layer inside the air fryer and let that cook for 6 minutes on one side. After 6 minutes, flip each piece of shrimp over and cook for an additional 4 minutes. And that's basically it. Place the shrimp in a clean bowl and garnish with chopped cilantro and serve. If you made it this far, do me a favor. Hit that like button, leave a comment, and share this video with your family and friends. All those things help this channel grow and go. And until next time, I just like to cook, and I'll see you later.